did it! Keep up the good work. Done! Molly got playful and opened the cage, and the pigeons flew away. Drag the pigeons back to their cage. We did it! Keep up the good work. Ready. Our pigeons are hungry. Drag the seeds from the sack to the feeder and the water to the water trough to feed them. We did it! Keep up the good work. Ready. There are carrier pigeons on our farm. Let's send a letter via... Now drag the pigeon with a mailing tube onto the perch. Drag the elements from the side menu to write and send a letter.